Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue where you're attempting to uninstall a program and it says please wait until the current program is finished uninstalling or being changed. So honestly, in most cases you just want to wait it out. This would occur if you're trying to uninstall multiple programs at the same time, or perhaps you're trying to uninstall the same program twice and you're coming across this message. So honestly, the best advice would be just give it some time to uninstall, give it a couple minutes. You can also try restarting your computer, and then once your computer restarts, then you can go ahead and just try and uninstall the application again. So again, that's pretty much it, guys. Really not much to talk about for this error, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.